Hey, good afternoon, happy hump day to everyone in Australia, and of course happy Independence Day to all my American friends. Today I'm just up at the adventure park in Liverpool. I have to apologise guys, because you may have noticed that the last few weeks there hasn't been any exploring discoveries. I've had maybe one chance to make a video, but I've had other projects on. The plan was to put one explore and discovery episode out every week for a year. It's currently week 26. I've put out 19, so I'm only falling just a little bit behind. What's been going on that has stopped me from being able to put them out? God, it's not a lack of trying. I do love making these videos for you, but VJ's getting the tray done. The tray's coming off. It's being fully brought back. It's got like little bits of rust spots all over the ironwork, and the sides are a little bit rough from the trips up north. So that's all going to be brought right back to metal with sandblasting, and then they're going to powder coat the whole thing, ready to match up with the canopy build that's going to go on. She was supposed to be dropped off last weekend. It's got put back a week, so it puts me out overall. It's going to put me out about 3 weeks, and hopefully I'm going to have it back in time for the ramble. So what's coming up on Jester's Cruiser Life? Okay, so for Explore and Discovery, hopefully I'll get the truck back ready in time for Freezing for a Reason, Trip Carriers of Australia meet up out at Glen Davis. The name of the video is just, the place is just there. I still can't remember how to say it. I've been there a million times. I might put up a few videos of the fit out on the canopy. Might just throw that in How To Tuesday playlist, but that's coming along. This weekend, if I can get back in time from dropping off VJ, we might have time to do Blackfellas Hand Trail out to Turon with Waxy's Lux and Etho. So why am I here today? I did do a video the other day, but I was a little bit rushed, a little bit excited. Why I'm out here today is I'm going to have a good little play with the Mavic Air. I've had a couple of test flights with it. Really needed to get outdoors and have a good crack, play around with all the settings and stuff. What a great little device. It's got good range and all that. You know all the videos, plenty of tutorials on there. I won't go into any details on it, but look them up if you're interested, but you'll be seeing a lot more of this on my videos. So let's go and have a play, eh?
But your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone. Your eyes of diamonds keep me up. Never thought that it could be this rough. No point in trusting anyone.
wasn't that a bit of fun? Can you believe it? Controller ran out of batteries before one battery ran out of batteries. This one, still got 2 batteries left with it. Got to play with a couple of the functions I wanted to, but I need to charge the remote. Can you believe it? I suppose I could still fly it in just off the phone. Give that a go. It's a bit nerve-wracking the first time you get to fly it, but it's a lot of fun, pretty addictive. Can't wait to actually put some scenes together where actually using it for something, for a film. Like, I'll have a bit of a play with this one, see what the colour science is like and stuff like that, but oh, you've already seen that because I'm supposed to be talking about after the flight, so I always get a bit muddled up on my vlogs, but it doesn't matter. Got to remember that you edit after your vlog and then you got to talk in your vlog like you've edited. Anyway, you know what I mean. We're all creators anyway. So look, that might do it for tonight. I might head home. VJ's been waiting patiently for me down there. Haven't got any footage of VJ today. Better whip it out again and have another look. Oh, is that a bit bright for you? We do get quite good sunsets down here. In winter the sun sets where it is now, and in summer it's more over towards, well, you can't see them in the shot, but there's towers over there. It's more over towards that way in summer. That's what you would have seen earlier in the vlogs. Yeah, alright, I might head home now. There's no clouds around, so I don't think there's much point in getting a sunset time lapse or anything like that, so I'll pack up my new camera bag. Well, not new, but it's definitely filled up now. The old goes in here, fits perfectly. Got Nikki here, Tonka, the Nifty 30, Rode mic for Nick, these batteries, camera batteries, and that goes in there and that goes in here, and that's pretty much it. Got the on the side, yeah, that's my backpack. It's going to come with me everywhere. Just need to figure out what to do with, you know, see if I can't get a photo of it. It doesn't matter. Then of course 2 tripods for 2 cameras and the good old Ericsson. Alright, peace.